In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We're going to walk through a simple path inside Squarespace to reach your account dashboard and then look up a domain for your site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can move confidently without getting lost in menus. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Create Your Website page on the official Squarespace site. This is the main entry point for starting a new project, previewing templates, or returning to your account. If this is your first time landing here, take a quick moment to make sure you're on the correct domain and that the page has fully loaded. It keeps the next steps smooth. Next, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. That icon is your gateway to everything related to your Squarespace account. If you're already signed in, it will open your account options. If you're prompted to sign in, follow the on-screen instructions using your existing credentials. Staying signed in on a trusted device can save you time later, but avoid doing that on shared computers. From the menu that appears, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center. It's where Squarespace organizes your sites, subscriptions, and key settings. If you manage multiple sites, this page helps you switch between them without hunting around. Inside the account area, click on Website. This focuses the view specifically on your website projects and their settings, separating them from other products you might see in your account. It's a handy way to keep your website management front and center. Now, let's look up a domain. From your website's dashboard, find the Search or Domain option, then select Get Domain. In the search field, type the name you want. Squarespace will check availability and show you matching options, including different extensions like .com, .net, or regional endings. If your first choice isn't available, try a short, memorable variation. Avoid hyphens where possible, and aim for something easy to spell. A domain that matches your brand name or core service is ideal. Keep an eye on pricing and renewal details as you browse. These can vary by extension. If you already own a domain elsewhere, you can note your preferred name now and connect it later through the appropriate settings. That's the full flow. Open the Create Your Website page, click the profile icon, enter your account dashboard, switch to the website view, and search for your domain using Get Domain. Follow these steps, and you'll be set up to name your site and move ahead with the rest of your build.